Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you are not able to log into your Instagram account through your web browser, you will have to watch this video. So guys, first of all, you will have to open your Instagram app and then tap on three lines in the right side corner, tap on settings and then tap on security. So guys, you will have to actually change your password here for one time. So guys, change your password for one time and save your password into your Google account. Once you save it, then again go to your web browser and then try to log in again from your web browser. Your Instagram account will be open in your browser. And guys, if this solution doesn't work, you will have to wait for 24 hours. After that, you will have to try this again, and definitely your Instagram account will be logged into your browser. So guys, thank you for watching my. So guys, if you found this video helpful for you, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.